Today I want to talk about a way to make money in online business that you can literally be making money while you are laying on the beach in Costa Rica. Hi, I'm Rebecca. Welcome to the Mamalorian Way, where I'm going to take my journey in front of you guys from basically unemployable stay-at-home mom through a journey of entrepreneurship. But before we do that, can you please press subscribe, continue my journey with me. If you like it, share it, press the like button and ring that bell. So what is it that I might be talking about today? Lying on a beach, making money? You probably might have these ideas of these people in a swimming suit with their laptop, and what the heck are they doing? Why aren't they in an office? Well, they're doing something, my friends, called affiliate marketing. And what is affiliate marketing? It's a marketing arrangement which an online retailer pays commission to an external website for traffic or sales generated from its referrals. Huh? You know what? It's kind of like you are recommending something that you really like, that's working for you, that's serving you in your business, in your personal life, in your home life, and you're telling your friends about it. And you say, you know what? For me, I have this hair dryer, and it rolls while it's drying your hair, and it can make flips in your hair. My hair's not doing it right now, but it can, and even my kid can use it. I love it. I recommend it to my friends. Now, what if I could recommend that thing that I love to my friends, of which maybe in this case I have 25,000 of them, and I make a little bit of money each time I recommend that hair dryer. Maybe that hair dryer is $80. I think it's like $80, and I make 10%. Okay, $8, but maybe I make that repeatedly just by recommending something that I like to people who are kind of like me. And you're like, okay, I think I could do that. I want to start with a little retailer maybe some of you guys have heard of, maybe not, Amazon. Now, Amazon's affiliate program, you can see here, is called Amazon's Associates. And it's simple. You sign up, you recommend, and you earn up to 10% commissions. Now, I could be wrong, but I also think that when you have somebody come to Amazon from your site recommending one product, if they fill up the cart with a couple more, you might get a commission on that. So you sign up, but before you sign up, what are the qualifying criteria? Well, let's learn a little bit more. Application review process. So if you're getting started, you may need to know you have to prepare a little bit for this. First of all, after you sign up, you need to have at least 3 sales within the first 180 days, 6 months. And it's not like you can go in and you buy Amazon, but maybe your friends. You also have to have a verifiable website, and they recommend that you have to have a post within the past 60 days, and at least 10 blog posts. They also like you to have on your social media network organic followers, at least 500. And Facebook is fine, but not your personal page. You can still do a professional page, and you can generally transfer your friends on Facebook. So you may just want to start with a website, do 10 posts, and then verify your web post, and make it original content. They don't like unoriginal content. All right, so besides Amazon, well, where else might I go? And there is a place called ClickBank, and it connects people who are selling products. They're looking for people to be affiliate marketers for their products, or if you want to promote, you can click. Here's the affiliate marketplace over here. Check it out. You could say your niche is anywhere green products. Yeah, maybe you want to have a chicken coop or something. Easy power plan, average amount, dollar per conversion, $63. So if you've got somebody that wants to do a do-it-yourself power plan and you've promoted it because that's your bag, you might get $63. So you do have to do some work in this. You have to choose your niche. You got to start making original material with a website. Maybe it's a YouTube thing. And then you can start promoting. There's also if you really like, I really like this guy. His name is Dr. Zach Bush. He is the founder of Ion Gut Health. It's to repair your gut for your microbiome. They say partner with us. Okay. Are you a retailer? You're a practitioner? Maybe you want to be an affiliate. So you can go to individual websites and also find out if they have partner programs. They're called partners, they're called associates, they're called affiliates. Check it out with ClickBank, check it out Amazon, and maybe it's a product that you already use. Start your website, and in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to build your website. And with your website, build an email list. Why would I need an email list? We'll come back, we'll find out. Bye.